Think small spaces can't feel luxurious? Think again. These clever design details and space-smart ideas prove that even the tiniest corners can look elegant, feel inviting, and make a big impact. All the featured products and inspiration are linked in the description below. Some speakers fill a room with sound. This one fills it with an experience. This Bluetooth home speaker delivers powerful 360-degree audio from 6 dedicated speaker channels, so every corner of the room gets the full picture. A 5.2-inch down-firing subwoofer handles the bass. You don't just hear it, you feel it. But sound is only half the story. The transparent dome on top radiates diamond effect lighting in all directions. With 5 shifting patterns you can swap to match the mood. Stream wirelessly from your phone or let a friend take over. It connects to multiple devices at once. And here's a bonus. It's built from 100% recycled fabric and aluminum, so it's as good for the planet as it is for your playlist. Style, substance, and sustainability in one stunning package. That awkward gap beside your bed? It's been waiting for this. At just under 8 inches wide, this solid rubber wood nightstand slips into the tightest spots without sacrificing style or storage. 3 smooth, quiet gliding drawers keep your books, chargers, and bedtime essentials within arm's reach, but out of sight. A circular cutout on the back keeps cords tidy so your phone charges without the chaos. The solid wood construction feels sturdy and built to last. Nothing wobbly or hollow here. It arrives fully assembled, so there's no deciphering instruction manuals or hunting for missing screws. Available in white, black, natural, and walnut to match whatever vibe your bedroom has going on. Small footprint, big upgrade. Small apartment, big dinner plans? No problem. This folding dining table goes from slim console to full dining surface for up to 6 people, without permanently taking over your living space. The drop leaf design folds out on both sides, opening up to a generous 35.4 inches wide, giving everyone actual elbow room. When dinner's done, fold it back down and roll it out of the way. Yes, it has wheels. Lockable ones, so it stays put when you need it to. The solid wood top handles up to 300 pounds and meets strict environmental standards for indoor air quality, so no harsh chemical smells in your home. It works just as well as a desk, study table, or workspace. One piece of furniture, endless configurations. Perfect for apartments, home offices, or anywhere space is too precious to waste. Good lighting changes everything, and this one does it quietly. This glass table lamp brings warm, diffused light to any corner of your home without the harsh glare of a bare bulb. The opal glass base doubles as the shade, softly scattering light in every direction for that cozy, lived-in glow. It comes with a 4-watt LED bulb already included, so it's ready to plug in straight out of the box. Energy efficient without sacrificing warmth. Clean, minimal design means it fits right in whether your space is modern, Scandinavian, or somewhere in between. Small enough for a nightstand, stylish enough for a living room shelf. Sometimes the simplest things make the biggest difference. Your walls have been blank long enough. This smart art frame is a Wi-Fi connected HD canvas that displays over 30,000 works from the world's greatest museums and galleries, swapped out whenever you feel like a change. The 21.5-inch screen uses anti-glare technology with adjustable backlighting, so paintings and photographs look like the real thing at every angle, not like a glowing TV screen. Upload your own photos and it becomes a living, breathing family gallery. No printing, no framing costs. Switching art is as easy as a hand wave in front of the frame, a tap on the app, or a voice command. It detects whether you've hung it horizontally or vertically and adjusts automatically. One frame, infinite walls. Every morning routine deserves a proper setup. This compact vanity desk packs a surprising amount of function into a small footprint. Flip open the top and a mirror appears, framed by adjustable LED lights in 3 tones: warm, natural, or cool, so your makeup always looks right before you step outside. Close it back up and it becomes a clean, minimal desk. Inside the desktop, 4 removable compartments keep your skincare and cosmetics sorted and out of sight. 2 power outlets and 2 USB ports are built right in, so your phone and hairdryer are always within reach. The cushioned stool tucks neatly underneath when you're done. Quick to assemble, easy to love. A complete little corner of calm, just for you. Your ceiling has been doing the bare minimum. Time to change that. This smart LED ceiling panel brings over 16 million colors to your room, shifting from warm candlelight to crisp daylight and everything in between, all controlled from your phone or with a simple voice command. Turn on music sync and the lights pulse and shift in real time with whatever's playing, turning any room into an instant atmosphere. The modular design means you start with one panel and keep adding until the effect is exactly what you want. Up to 99 panels across your ceiling. Set schedules so lights ease you awake in the morning and wind down with you at night. Compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and more. Your ceiling just became the most interesting thing in the room. Blank walls are boring. This one fixes that instantly. This 3D wall panel combines handcrafted sandstone texture, real artificial greenery, and a built-in glass vase into a single piece of living art. The layered design creates genuine depth and dimension, so it looks sculptural rather than flat. Built-in LED lighting glows softly behind the panel, and a small remote lets you dial the brightness up or down to match the mood. Plug it in, hang it up, no assembly, no tools beyond a nail. It works in a living room, bedroom, hallway, or office, and comes in 2 sizes and 3 color options to suit your space. Part art piece, part mood light, part conversation starter, all in one frame. A sofa for your guests, a bed for the ones who stay. This queen-size convertible flips from a full 3-seat sofa into a proper queen bed in seconds. No tools, no heavy lifting, no wrestling with cushions. The pop-up mechanism does the work for you. Underneath the woven polyester fabric, a coil spring system delivers genuine mattress-level comfort, so overnight guests actually wake up rested instead of apologetic. It holds up to 600 pounds and seats 3 comfortably, so it pulls its weight as a sofa too. Clean, modern silhouette in flax or linen means it looks intentional in any living room, not like a backup plan. Available in multiple configurations, including a chaise version and a love seat. One piece of furniture that earns its space every single day. That dark corner finally met its match. This 3-bulb tree floor lamp stands 70 inches tall and throws warm light in multiple directions at once, making it as practical as it is good-looking. 3 cage shades give it an industrial boho character that works in living rooms, bedrooms, and home offices alike. A simple knob on the body lets you dial brightness anywhere from a soft nighttime glow to full reading light. No app, no smart home setup, just a satisfying turn of a switch. All 3 warm white bulbs are included and flicker-free, so your eyes stay comfortable during long work or reading sessions. Assembles quickly without any special tools. Time gets an artful upgrade with this mid-century wall clock. Its hand-painted wooden balls and sleek metal spokes turn a simple wall into a statement piece. The silent quartz movement means no ticking, so your space stays calm and peaceful. Easy to hang and battery-powered, it fits anywhere, from your kitchen to your home office. Bold, modern, and playful, it keeps perfect time while looking effortlessly stylish. This table has a cool secret hiding inside. At first glance, it looks like a sleek modern side table, but lift the top and it doubles as a water dispenser. You can store a full jug inside and keep drinks easily accessible wherever you are. The stone-like finish gives it a premium look, while the weather-resistant build lets you use it indoors or outdoors. It's smart, simple, and surprisingly useful. Some rooms don't need furniture to make a statement, they just need the right light. This spiral crystal chandelier cascades nearly 8 feet of K9 crystal raindrops from ceiling to floor, catching and scattering light in every direction. 13 bulb points mean the whole space glows, and dimmer compatibility lets you go from dramatic to intimate with a simple dial. It's built for grand entryways, double-height living rooms, and stairwells that deserve something extraordinary overhead. Give your plants a home that looks as good as they do. This tall concrete planter blends modern curves with a weathered finish for a clean, stylish touch indoors or outside. A durable concrete fiber mix keeps it strong yet lighter than expected, so moving it feels easy. Built-in drainage holes protect roots from excess water, with a plug for flexible placement. Simple, sturdy, and eye-catching, it helps your greenery thrive in any space. Who said walls can't work for you? This floating folding table turns empty wall space into a stylish workstation or dining spot. The desktop slides and folds easily, so you save space when it's not in use. Made from natural wood, it's sturdy, eco-friendly, and won't warp over time. Use it as a desk, a dining table, or even extra shelving. It fits bedrooms, kitchens, or offices. Modern, artistic, and practical, it transforms any wall into a smart, functional area. Straight shelves are boring. This S-shaped bookcase turns storage into a design statement. The open geometric layout gives you space for books, plants, photos, and decor without feeling bulky. Its tall, slim shape saves floor space while still giving you multiple display levels. The wood shelves and metal frame feel solid and balanced, so everything stays secure. Perfect when you want your room to look styled, not cluttered. So if you want a bookshelf that doubles as art, scan the QR on screen. Never fumble in the dark again. This under-cabinet light turns on automatically when it senses movement, then switches off after you leave. You can also keep it on manually or dim it to the perfect brightness with a simple touch. Rechargeable and magnetic, it sticks anywhere: closets, cabinets, hallways, or workshops. Adjustable color temperature means warm or bright white light anytime you need it. Maximize every corner with this sleek 6-tier bookshelf. Its L-shaped design fits perfectly into tight spaces, while giving you plenty of room for books, plants, or photos. Built from sturdy engineered wood with reinforced support, it stays stable even in busy homes. The built-in LED strip adds a modern glow with adjustable colors, brightness, and timers at your fingertips. Stylish, practical, and ready to transform your living room or office corner. Your couch just got a personal sidekick. This C-shaped table slides right under your sofa, giving you a perfect surface exactly where you need it. The foldable top expands when you need more space and tucks away when you don't. Built-in outlets and USB ports keep your devices charged while you relax or work. Plus, the lower shelf holds your essentials, so everything stays within arm's reach without clutter. Your living room called? It wants a mood upgrade. This smart floor lamp stands nearly 6 feet tall and pumps out 1,500 lumens of fully customizable color light in every direction. Pick from 64 built-in scenes, draw your own color patterns in the app, or let it pulse and shift automatically in sync with your music. Control it from your phone, your voice, or right on the lamp itself. It's the kind of light that doesn't just illuminate a room, it transforms it. Why settle for boring hooks when you can have art on your wall? This handcrafted wooden coat rack doubles as decor and storage, with piano-style sticks that flip down into hooks. Made from solid walnut and beechwood with a smooth varnish finish, it's built to last. Each hook holds up to 22 pounds, perfect for coats, bags, or hats. Easy to mount and versatile, it brings style and function to your entryway, bedroom, or office. Switch between warm, cool, or soft yellow. Switch between warm, cool, or soft yellow light to match your mood. Perfect for showing off collectibles, photos, or small plants like a mini gallery. The sturdy wooden build keeps everything secure while freeing up valuable floor space. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.